Hello, hello မင်္ဂလာပါဒီနေ့ subject စထားတဲ့ basic English ကိုအတူတကွ practice လုပ်ကြရအောင် Is he at home? Is he at home? သူအိမ်မှာရှိလား Yes, he is at home. ရှိတယ်သူအိမ်မှာရှိတယ် Wait it rain today. Wait it rain today. ဒီနေ့မိုးရွာပါလား I don't think it will rain. မိုးရွာမယ်လို့ကမထင်ပါဘူး Do you like snow? Do you like snow? နေကြတာသဘောကျလား No, I don't like it. ကျွန်တော်နေကြတာသဘောမကျဘူး Who is your friend? Who is your friend? မင်းတကယ်ချစ်ကဘယ်သူလဲ John is my friend. John is my friend. ကျွန်တော်တကယ်ချစ်က John လေ John ဆိုတာကျွန်တော်တကယ်ချစ်လေ What did you buy? What did you buy? ဘာဝယ်ခဲ့တာလဲ Some vegetables. Some vegetables. ဒီရဲ့ဒဒလေးဝယ်လာတယ် Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? ဘယ်သူတကယ်ချစ်လဲ He is my friend. ကျွန်တော်တကယ်ချစ်ပါ Can you head at it? Can you head at it? ဒါလေးကိုကြိုက်ထားပြနိုင်လားချိတ်ပြနိုင်လား Yes, I can. Do you drink coffee? Coffee တောက်လား Sometimes တခါတည်းရပေါ့ How long will it take? How long will it take? ဘယ်လောက်ကြာမှာလဲ It will take an hour. It will take an hour တနားရီလောက်ကြာရင်ပေါ့ Is he at home? Is he at home? Yes, he is at home. Yes, he is at home. Will it rain today? Will it rain today? I don't think it will rain. I don't think it will rain. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Who is your friend? Who is your friend? John is my friend. John is my friend. What did you buy? What did you buy? Some vegetables. Some vegetables. Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? He is my friend. He is my friend. Can you head at it? Can you head at it? Yes, I can. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Sometimes. How long will it take? How long will it take? How long will it take? It will take an hour. It will take an hour. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. သူ့ကိုသိလားဟုတ်တယ်ကျွန်တော်သိတယ်သူကို What's going on here? What's going on here? ဒီမှာဘာတွေဖြစ်ပျက်နေတာလဲ Nothing special. Nothing special. ထူးဘာမှမဖြစ်ပါဘူး Do you like me? Do you like me? မင်းငါ့ကိုသဘောကျလား Yes, I like you. Yes, I like you. အမျိုးသဘောကျတယ် What do you do? What do you do? မင်းဘာလုပ်တာလဲ I'm a student. I am student. ကျွန်တော်ကျောင်းသားတစ်ယောက်ပါ What are you doing? What are you doing? မင်းဘာလုပ်နေတာလဲ I read this book. I'm reading books. ကျွန်တော်စာအုပ်ဖတ်နေတာ How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. အသက်ဘယ်လောက်လဲကျွန်တော်ကအသက်25နှစ်ပါ Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? မင်းဘာကြောင့်ဘာဖြစ်လို့ရတာလဲရှိတာလဲ Because I'm happy. Because I'm happy. ကျွန်တော်ပြောနေလို့ပါ Are you happy? Are you happy? မင်းပြောနေတာလား Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. ဟုတ်တယ်ကျွန်တော်အရင်ပြောနေတာ Where will you go? Where will you go? မင်းဘယ်ချိန်သွားမှာလဲ I will go by Sunday. I will go by Sunday. တနင်္ဂနွေနေ့မတိုင်ခင်ကျွန်တော်သွားမှာ Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No, I can't. Can you hear me? ကျွန်တော်ကြားလား No, I can't. ကျွန်တော်မကြားဘူး Where do you live? Where do you live? ဘယ်မှာနေတာလဲ I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. ကျွန်တော် Mumbai မှာနေတာ Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I'm upset. ဘာကြောင့်လို့မင်းငိုနေရကျွန်တော်စိတ်ပြတ်နေလို့ပါဝမ်းနေနေလို့ပါ Are you there? Are you there? မင်းအဲ့မှာနေလား Yes, yes I am. Whose bed is this? Whose bed is this? ဒါဘယ်သူလဲအဲ့လေ This is Tom's bed. This is Tom's bed. ဒါကထွန်းရဲ့အိပ်ပါ How do you go? How do you go? မင်းသွားလား No, I will not go. No, I will not go. ကျွန်တော်မသွား How do you come? How do you come? မင်းမလာဘူးလား No, I will not come. ကျွန်တော်မလာ Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. What's going on here? What's going on here? Nothing special. Nothing special. Do you like me? Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Yes, I like you. What do you do? What do you do? I am student. I am student. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm reading books. I'm reading books. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Because I'm happy. Because I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. Where will you go? Where will you go? I will go by Sunday. I will go by Sunday. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No, I can't. No, I can't. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I'm upset. Because I'm upset. Are you there? Are you there? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Whose bed is this? Whose bed is this? This is Tom's bed. This is Tom's bed. How do you go? How do you go? No, I will not go. No, I will not go. How do you camp? How do you camp? I will not camp. I will know. I will not camp. Where do you go to college? Where do you go to college? College go pero tomle. Peti tomle. I go to 10 a.m. Senai minute senai jalo tome. How do you get to college? How do you get to college? College go. Pane tomale. Pelu tomale. Bypass. Bypass. Pascane toma. What do you study? What do you study? I study history. I study history. Do you have fun at college? Do you have fun at college? College ma pyo la wo. Yes, I do. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm doing my office work. Which office do you work? Which office do you work? I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? Yes, I'm. How did you know? What is your birthday? What is your birthday? It is on 5 John. Jungaya nile. My is on 5th July. July morning are July. Where do you go to college? Where do you go to college? I go at 10 a.m. I go at 10 a.m. How do you get to college? How do you get to college? By bus. By bus. What do you study? What do you study? I study history. Do you have fun at college? Do you have fun at college? Yes, I do. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm doing my office work. I'm doing my office work. What are you doing? I'm doing my office work. I'm doing my office work. Which office do you work? Which office do you work? I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Where is your birthday? Where is your birthday? It is on 5th June. It is on 5th June. Mine is on 7th July. Mine is on 7th July. What's your name? What's your name? My name is John. My name is John. What's yours? What's yours? I'm Lisa. I'm Lisa. 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 Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mumbai and you? Mumbai manila live. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. What will you buy there? What will you buy there? I will buy some vegetables. I will buy some vegetables. Where anyone is going with you? Where anyone else go with you? My brother. my brother, Maulene, Sononi Lene, God today. May I come with you? May I come with you? Minetru, may I go with you? May I go with you? Minetru Toloyala. Yes, you may. What's your name? What's your name? My name is John. My name is John. What's yours? What's yours? I'm Lisa. I'm Lisa. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mumbai and you. I live in Mumbai and you. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. What will you buy there? What will you buy there? I will buy some vegetables. I will buy some vegetables. Will anyone else go with you? Will anyone else go with you? My brother, my brother. May I go with you? May I go with you? Yes, you may. Yes, you may. When do we leave? When do we leave? I will bet it we go a little later. Now time in the nella. Now to the nella swing out of Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Paris. I live in Paris. To the night manila. Which is better? Which is better? Which is better? The Haga Bugala is the best. Daga Gamsum Chite. How are you today? How are you today? Dini Nikala. I'm much better today. I'm much better today. Dini Natoragaulare. How is business? How is business? Siway Chinikala. Not very good. Not very good. Masubabo. What did you say? What did you say? I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Is there a bed nearby? Is there a bed nearby? Dina Wujama Ban Shidala. Yes, there is. Shoot it, Dima shoot it. What is it? What is this? It's a chicken sled. It's a chicken sled. Etaka Tatatopa. Where's the date today? Where's the date today? Dineba Yelehe. Dini Yeswapa Yeswalehe. Today is the 18th. Today is the 18th. Dini Sashiali. When will they can? When will they can? Throw it in Lama. They will can at night. They will can at night. Najai throw Laleme. When do we? When do we leave? When do we leave? We will go a little later. We will go a little later. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Paris. I live in Paris. Which is better? Which is better? It's the best. It's the best. How are you today? How are you today? I'm much better today. I'm much better today. How is business? How is business? Not very good. Not very good. What did you say? What did you say? I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Is there a bed nearby? Is there a bed nearby? Yes, there is. What is it? What is it? It's a chicken sled. It's a chicken sled. Where's the date today? Where's the date today? Today is the 18th. Today is the 18th. When will they come? When will they come? They will come at night. They will come at night. Okay, practice lover. Bye-bye.